Today, I will show you the current ShadowPlay recording settings. From the bottom section, in the system tray, there will be an application called NVIDIA Settings with the new update. Since I dragged it here, I will open it from this side. Right-click and press the NVIDIA application. After clicking, you open NVIDIA Share from the Settings section. Once opened, you press Alt and Z to come to the Settings tab from this section. You go to the Video Capture tab. From here, you set the quality to custom. You set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 30 FPS. Keeping the bitrate at around 12 or 13 megabits will be better for you. It will provide a better image. If you want to use the desktop capture feature, or if you want to record the desktop, you activate this feature. After capturing the video from this section, you can choose the location for temporary files where the recording will output and where the recording will be saved in the files and disk space section. If there are different disks like D, E, F on your computer, moving these two parts to those disks will be more beneficial for you and your system. Afterwards, you can make custom adjustments from the status information tab in this section. You can select your microphone from the audio section. Whichever microphone is the default on your system, it will automatically select it, just so you know. You can also change your shortcuts from the shortcuts section here. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.